Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our Shumatt's live stream. I'm Casey from Shumatt, China. Our company specializes in commercial diesel parts, and today I will share you with the hot sealing valve assembly for you. Let's take a look. And for this one, outside packages, this kind of VCI anti-rust bags, right? And here this is our label. The first line of the label is our Shumatt brand. The product code is F00RJ02012. Actually, for this kind of logo, label, packages, etc., all we can support customized service. And then let's check the inside product. Transparent bottles can be better avoid some damages during the transportation. One layer so the oil paper can be wrapped up. Each product 6 months warranty time, so you have the quality guaranteed. That's the inside valve assembly. For this one, a plug cable for injector number is 0445120116, etc. That's the valve cap. There is the coating figures here, and this is the valve rods. If you want to clean this valve assembly, it's better to clean with the oil, don't clean with the water. That's my small tips for you. So much for the product introductions at last. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Have a good day. Bye bye.